Hello students, a very good morning to everyone. Children, in today's session we learnt about the Panchayati Raj lesson. So what all we learnt, we will quickly revise it for the children who are not able to hear my voice or for the children who have failed to attend the lecture today. For this video is specially for you. Now Panchayati Raj, it's a special day today. Now what is the meaning of Panchayati Raj? That means how in the rural areas the panchayat works, what kind of work they are doing or how the work is being managed. This is what we are going to learn today. It's a special day today. Everyone is rushing to the Gram Sabha. Do you know why? Because the Gram Sabha is holding its first meeting after the election of new Gram Panchayat. Now what has happened here? Now what has happened here, dear children, that recently only the elections have been held and there is a new Gram Sabha, there is a new Gram Panchayat for the new village, and people are rushing towards the Gram Sabha so that they could see. Gram Sabha means the meeting of the villagers and the Panchayat people. So for what the meetings have been held, the Gram Sabha or the meetings of the villagers have been held so that they could discuss or they could debate on the development schemes of the villages. Okay, so this is why the Gram Sabhas have been held. So the Gram Sabha is a meeting for all the adults. Now who can attend the meeting of the Gram Sabha? Only the adults. Adults means who? The person above 18 years of age who has a right to vote or who has voted for the Gram Panchayat election. Only that person is a member of the Gram Sabha and he can attend the meeting. The Gram Sabha is a meeting of all the adults who live in the area covered by the Gram Panchayat. This could only be one village or the few villages. Now if the villages are big, there is only one Gram Panchayat. If the villages are small, 3 to 4 to 5 villages come together and then they have a one Gram Panchayat. Understood? In some states, or as in the example above, the villages meeting is held for each village. In some states where the villages are big, for each village there is a separate Gram Sabha or the separate meetings are held. Anyone who is above, who is 18 years old or more than that has a right to vote, and he is also a member of a Gram Sabha. Now the person who is above 18 years old, he is a member of a Gram Sabha. Now here the situation is given. Can you see here? There is the situation given over here. In this picture you can see people are sitting and in front of them Sarpanch and the Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat Panch are sitting. Why they are sitting? So that people could tell the problems of the villages and they could find the solution for it. It is as they have won the elections, people have elected them as the representative. It is their duty to find the solutions for the problems in the villages. Understood? The people of the Hardas villages are keen to find out about their new Gram Panchayat. Now the name of the village is Hardas village, and they are very keen to find out now what new Gram Panchayat is going to do or what new Gram Panchayat is planned for the village. Now let's begin. What happens in the Gram Sabha? Here it's given you. The Gram Sabha meeting begins with the Panchayat President. You have to keep this word in mind. Panchayat President, who is also known as Sarpanch. Sarpanch को क्या कहा जाता है? Panchayat President. Panchayat President is also known as Sarpanch, and the members of the Panchayat, and the other members are known as Panch or the members of the Panchayat. Presenting a plan on repairing the road. Now first what happened, they told that we are going to plan repairing a road from our village to the main highway so that our people can easily travel from the village to the other villages. So first point in the meeting was that we are going to construct a new brand road for our village. Okay, this is how the Gram Panchayat work. This is how the decisions are taken in the Gram Sabha. After this, the discussion moves to the subject of water. First question of roads was solved. After that, the discussion moves to the subject of water. Now what happens? We need to do, wait. A villager called Tijia begins the meeting and says, begins the meeting by saying the water problem in Hardas. Name of the village is Hardas. We are discussing about the village name Hardas. The villager called Tijia begins the meeting by saying the water problem in Hardas has become very acute. Now the water problem in Hardas has become very acute means what? It's become very severe. The hand pump water has gone down. The hand pump water level has gone below the point, and we hardly get any waters in the tap. So what is happening? Because of that, the women are supposed to travel 3 kilometers away for the water. So one of the member from the Gram Sabha, what he suggested, so what we will do, what is the solution for this problem? What we will do the piping of water from Suru and take that and making a overhead tank, and we will build a huge tank in the village, and we can increase the supply of water by doing this. But what the others thought, that this is very expensive. Doing piping is very expensive. Then what they feel, instead of that, in the current situation, what we will do, we will deepen the hand pumps. We will increase the groundwater level of we will dig more deeper inside the ground, and we will deepen the hand pumps, and so that for this season, at least for this season, we will have water. But what Tijia said, this is not a permanent solution. This is not enough. Okay, we need to do something more permanent. We should find a permanent solution for this. We need to do something permanent. As why we need to do something permanent? Because the groundwater level seems to go down every year, because we are using more and more groundwater. So the groundwater level is decreasing. Then what the another man, his name was Anwar, what he said, that he tells everyone that he has seen a way of conserving water. He has seen a way. He had went to Maharashtra, and there he had seen a way to conserve water means what? To save water. He had seen a way of conserving and recharging the water, means how to conserve the water and how we can get more and more water. He has seen it in the village of Maharashtra, where he had once visited his brother. His brother lived in a village in Maharashtra. He had gone there to visit his brother, and he has seen a very beautiful way how the people in the villages are conserving water, and they are recharging or refilling their wells, tanks, ponds, whatever. Okay, and that concept is called as a watershed development. What is it known as? Watershed development. And he also heard that government gave the money for this work. Also he heard that government is providing help, financial help for this work. Now in his brother, village people had planted tree. In his brothers, what people had done in that village of Maharashtra? They had planted trees, they have constructed check dams and tanks, and everyone thought this was the interesting idea, and the Gram Panchayat was asked to find about in detail. Now what happened? Everybody was discussing about the water problem. In that, Anwar had suggested this solution, and everybody in the village thought that this is a good idea. And what they said, that please find out what the kind of program was constructed there, and can it be applied to our village. If it is there, then it is good for our village. Okay, the next item. Now what happened? First problem of road was solved. Next problem of water was solved. Now third problem. What was the third problem? The next item on the agenda for the Gram Sabha is the finalization of the list of the people below the poverty line. Now every Gram Panchayat or every Gram Panchayat has the list of BPL. BPL means what? BPL means what? Below poverty line. Full form of BPL, below poverty line. The people of those people who are below poverty line, they are provided with some extra help by the government. Many facilities are being given by the government for this kind of people, those who are below poverty line. So what happens, in every village there is a list of the people, all those who are below poverty line, and that list is sent to the government, and according to the number of the people, according to the how much people number, for example, if there are 50 people who are below poverty line, for that much people the help comes from the government. Understood? Now what happened? Yes, which had approved by the Gram Sabha. As soon as the list is read out, the people began to whisper. Now, it is the duty of a Sarpanch to read out the list in the Gram Sabha. When he read the list, the people started to whispering. Whispering means what? They started mumbling. म्हणजे कुजबुज करणे. Okay, so they started mumbling with themselves. Natwar has just bought a color TV. Now, why they started mumbling? Because these are the people where these people are provided with the government special facilities. Now, if some people who are not below the poverty line, and then too if their names are there, obviously the people will discuss, how come this man is a rich man? This man can afford his living. How come his name is below poverty line? Why they purposefully the name is kept here? Because of such kind of things, what happens? The people who are really in need of this kind of government schemes, up till them the help is not reaching. We cannot reach up to the real people who really wants this help. How can he be the below poverty line? What he says, how can he be below poverty line? Because he has bought a new color TV, he has got a new motorcycle. Then Surajmal, what he mutters, even one more person, Surajmal, what he says to the Sukhibai, and how come Birju's name is on the list? He is having so much land. If you are having much land, there is a criteria. If you are a farmer, if you are having a huge amount of land, then there you cannot go under the below poverty line. Understood? This should have only poor people. What the villagers were discussing, this list should be only of poor people. And Om Prakash is landless laborer. Om Prakash was a one villager, and he is a landless laborer. Landless laborer means what? He is not having land. तो मजुरी करून जीवन जगतो. He is not having that much land, and he is a laborer. Then to his name is not there. Who can barely make his ends meet, means त्याचं फार मुश्किलीने भागत आहे. Means who is striving hard to live. So yet his name is not in the list, and his name is not in the list. You know, the both Natwar and Birju are friends of Amir Chand, who can counter Amir Chand's power. Sukhibai says. Now here is one more character named Amir Chand. And who is Amir Chand? Amir Chand was earlier Zamindar of the village and still has control over lot of land. But we should get Om Prakash name put in it. Now the people who were rich, then to their name were there in the BPL list. They are the people of Amir Chand. Now who was Amir Chand? Amir Chand is a zamindar. Okay, he was earlier a zamindar, who means a landowner, and the villagers, what they say, let it be their name are there, but at least we should get Om Prakash name, who is in means he needs it. Om Prakash really needs the help of the government. He should get this facility. So what happened? The Sarpanch, Panchayat president, notices people whispering and asks if anyone wants to say anything. Sarpanch, when he sees people are discussing between themselves, then what he says, do anybody wants to say something? Then okay, but he keeps quiet. Amar Chand is sitting in the Gram Sabha, keeping an eye on everyone. Now Amar Chand is also sitting in the Gram Sabha, so he is looking what all people are saying. So what happens? Suraj then gets up and says, now what happens? Suraj gets up and says, Om Prakash name is not, should be there in the BPL list. Om Prakash, who is really very, very poor, his name is not there in the BPL list. Others agree that he and his family are very, very poor. Others says that yes, he and his family are very poor. The Sarpanch asks how his name has been missed out. Then Sarpanch asks who made this list, how his name has been missed out. The teacher who did the survey of BPL, teacher is doing the survey of BPL. What he said, their family's Om Prakash house was locked. Now what he said, when I went to Om Prakash house, his house was locked, and when I went there, he had gone somewhere to look for a work. The Sarpanch gives instruction that Om Prakash family income be looked at, and if it is less, what has to be decided by the government. His name should be included in the list. What he said, go and I want a complete survey. Om Prakash name should be there. If he is coming, if his income below poverty line, then his name should be included here. Okay, now the Gram Panchayat. Wait, this is up till here we will stop now, and the Gram Panchayat and the other video in part 2 I will make. Okay children, thank you up till here, thank you for watching, thank you and have a nice day.